Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome sync post problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chrome on my computer and I'm going to show you how we can fix that problem. First of all, we need to go to the Google Chrome setting. We can click on the three dots on the top right and then select the settings. And in the setting, we need to select the privacy and security. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the site settings. And then go to the additional content settings, and then you're going to go to the on-device site data menu, and here make sure you have allowed sites to save data on your device. You have to select this option guys, and then you're going to add sites right here. You can click on this add option and then add accounts google.com and click on add. Okay, and then you can close your Google Chrome and reopening it. And if this method is still not working on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to go to the privacy and security, and I recommend you to delete your browsing data. You can click on delete browsing data, and then you're going to delete the browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and also the cache. Just click on delete data. Okay, then you can close your Google Chrome and reopening it. And I hope this method will work on your Google Chrome guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!